In this video, we'll create a perspective text in Photoshop. Check the description for the link to the resources used. So let's start by clicking on the image we're using. The first thing I will do right now is to write my text. Choose the Move tool and press Ctrl T to scale. Right click on that and choose Select Pixel. Press Ctrl C to copy and then create a new layer. Hide the text layer and press Ctrl D to deselect. Go to Filter and choose Vanishing Point. Then you can go on by drawing your lines. If the line turns red, that means you have drawn a negative line, so you will have to start again. Press Ctrl V to paste. Press Ctrl T to scale and drag the text inside the line you have drawn. Hold Shift and adjust the text. So right click on that to open the blending option. Hold the Alt key and start to adjust the underlying layer. You can hold Alt and click on the arrows to split them into two.